Guys, today we're going to be talking about the order of operations, which is used to solve or simplify equations and other expressions. Here are our two standards. We have a 5th grade and a 6th grade standard. The first one deals with using parentheses in the order of operations. The second one deals with using exponents in the order of operations. So what is the order of operations? Well, it comes in 4 to 5 steps. Step 1 is parentheses. Step 2 is exponents. Now these next few steps can get a little bit confusing. Step 3 is multiplication and division. Multiplication does not always come first though. It just depends on which one comes first in the expression. It's the same thing with addition and subtraction. Whichever one comes first when reading the expression from left to right is the one that you do first. The acronym for this is PEMDAS. Here are some other helpful acronyms to help you remember it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What did Sally do? Nobody knows. Another one is popcorn every Monday, donuts always Sunday. Why can't we eat donuts any other day? Again, nobody knows. Now here, we're just going to start with an example. We're just going to jump right in. Here's a problem that we're going to do together. 4 minus parentheses 15 minus 3 parentheses times 7 to the 3rd power plus parentheses 28 plus 12 parentheses divided by 5. Step 1 is parentheses. We have two sets here, 15 minus 3, which equals 12, and 28 plus 12, which equals 40. Now we write these answers into our new expression. We have our original problem down here in the bottom left corner to remind us of where we started. Step 2 is exponents. Remember that exponents are also sometimes called powers. This step is where you would also do roots, such as the square root of 9, but we've not gotten into those much yet. The exponent we have in this expression is 7 to the 3rd, or 7 times 7 times 7, which equals 343. We write this answer into our new problem to remind us of what we've already done. Our next step is multiplication and division. Again, multiplication does not always come first. You do whichever operation comes first when reading from left to right. We happen to have multiplication first here. We take our 12 from the parentheses step and multiply it by the 343 from our exponent step to get a product of 4,116. Next, we take our 40 from the parentheses step and divide it by 5 to get 8. Then we write these answers down in our new problem. Step 4 is addition and subtraction. Again, addition does not always come first. You do whichever operation comes first in the expression when reading it from left to right. We happen to have subtraction first. We take the 4 and subtract the 4,116 from our previous steps to get negative 4,112. When we put that in our new problem, our next step is to add 8. Negative 4,112 plus 8 is equal to negative 4,104. So this is our solution. Some teachers stop here, but I like to add one more step to make my life easier and yours a little harder. I want you to rewrite the solution at the bottom of your page or your work area and underline it, circle it, box it, highlight it, whatever you want to do to make it clear that that is your final answer. Now here it is all put together. We start with our original problem. Step 1 is parentheses. And the arrow between the steps is our new expression after solving each step. This goes on with each step, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, until you reach the solution. Now I want you to try it on your own. Here's a new problem. 100 plus 4 times, parentheses, 7 minus 4 parentheses, to the 3rd power. You can pause the video if you need to. Alright, did you get 208 as your solution? If you did, great job. If not, don't worry. I provided an explanation. Step 1 is parentheses. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Our new problem is 100 plus 4 times 3 to the 3rd. Step 2 is exponents. 3 to the 3rd is equal to 27. Our new problem would be 100 plus 4 times 27. Our next step is multiplication and division. We don't have any division here, so we are going to multiply 4 and 27 to get 108. Our new problem is 100 plus 108. Our last step is addition and subtraction. 100 plus 108 equals 208. So our solution is 208. Here are some expressions for you to practice. I've also given you the solutions here. If you don't get it right the first time, keep trying until you do. I hope this has helped you all. Thank you.